Hi, I'm Yossi Knecht, Director of Sales at Atlantis Strength, where we've been building strength and only strength equipment for over 30 years, and we aim to design the best performing strength equipment in the industry. Today I want to talk about the D-227 glute and ham raise. The glute and ham raise has seen a huge resurgence over the last number of years as classic strength training has become more and more mainstream. One thing that I face quite often is competition from the lower priced glute and ham raises, and today I want to show some of the features of our glute and ham raise that make it a superior product and the best choice. Let's start with this area here where the athlete works out. What you'll see on a lot of the lower cost models is a bar connecting the frame. Now that bar creates a couple of little obstacles, notably when you go to get on the machine, you've got to step over that bar. So at Atlantis, where we focus on comfort, that doesn't fit with the way we design things. So in our model, we have an easy way to get up and on the machine. There are 2 foot plates to step up onto and 2 foot plates to step down onto, because as you can imagine, if there's a bar here like on some of those models, when I step down, I'm usually also stepping down to the floor, and of course there are certain parts of my anatomy that I have to be careful of if there's a bar in between my legs. So as mentioned, we've got the foot plates and the platform to stand on. No bar in the way. I simply get on the unit. Now, as you can see, I've got the knee rest for me to, if I want to in between sets, just stay like that. That knee rest is something that we have noticed is about 50-50 in terms of what clients want. 50% of our clients want it, 50% of ours don't. Therefore, we've made that piece boltable, and you can choose whether you want to have that or not. So the next part of the glute and ham is the adjustment. So glute and ham raise, as you know, it adjusts upwards, up and down, and it adjusts forward and backwards. So what we wanted to do, based on what we've been told by a lot of coaches, is have it be adjustable quickly. Because in a setting where you're working with multiple athletes, the speed at which you can adjust a unit to that athlete and get them working is extremely important. So I'm just going to demonstrate how we adjust it. So up and down is adjusted very simply by turning the black knob here, and you can see it adjusts very easily. We secure it with, there's a black knob that helps you secure it because you don't want this to wobble. If I unscrew that a little bit, you see you've got that. So that's that. Now forward and aft, in previous models, we also had it on the same type of mechanism that you see over here. The problem with that was that the weight of this foot plate pushing downwards made that incredibly difficult to adjust. So once again, in responding to the needs of our customers, we designed a new way to move it forward and aft, and you'll see that that is incredibly easy. I'm using just 2 fingers and I can adjust it as such. So that quick adjustability is something that you will not find on a lot of the lower cost models. Now, another little feature is down here. We've got a weight horn for weight storage because a lot of people like to hold a plate while they do this exercise. So we've added that so that you don't have to have plates being walked around. Again, for speed, for safety, all of those reasons, we put weight storage. And we do that on any of our units that require plates. Now finally, up front we have resistance band pegs, and we've got this foot plate here, and that's for when those weight plates are being used, it's to protect the paint. In case someone drops it, we don't have any paint chipping. So The D-227, I think, illustrates in a lot of ways our fundamental philosophies at Atlantis about, functionality, about durability, and about listening to our customers and designing the best performing and the most comfortable equipment on the market.